Hey everyone, welcome back to Living Struggles, where we break down the coolest tech in the auto world. Today, we're answering a question a lot of people have about hybrid vehicles. How do they charge themselves? Let's get into it. Unlike fully electric cars, hybrids don't need to be plugged in. Instead, they charge their batteries using a combination of methods, and it all happens while you're driving. Let's break it down. First up, regenerative braking. Every time you hit the brakes in a hybrid, the car converts some of that braking energy into electricity. Instead of wasting all that energy as heat, like in a regular car, a hybrid captures it and stores it in the battery. Pretty cool, right? Next, we have the gasoline engine. In most hybrids, the engine doesn't just power the wheels, it also acts as a generator. When needed, it sends extra power to the battery, keeping it charged for when the electric motor needs a boost. Another way hybrids stay charged is through coasting. When you're driving at a steady speed or going downhill, the car can turn off the engine and let the electric motor take over. This helps save fuel while the battery gets a chance to recharge. So there it is. Hybrid cars charge themselves using regenerative braking, their gasoline engine, and even when coasting. It's a super smart system that helps you save gas and reduce emissions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car tech insights, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.